We're back at it, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. I apologize, I haven't put a video up lately. The weather out here in California has been absolutely crappy. I don't even know what the sun looks like anymore. I think it's a big yellow ball, but I'm not even sure. It's been so long since we've seen it. It just keeps raining and raining and raining. But I did get the exhaust done. So I'm gonna back the car out of the garage. I've got my decibel meter on, and we're gonna see what it sounds like so everybody can kind of hear the differences. We'll get the decibel reading. We were like 99 to 103 with the single at 2 foot from the exhaust pipe at a 90-degree angle. So we'll get it out there with this one and see what it sounds like, and then we'll do some decibel readings inside the car, post this thing up, but it does sound awesome and it looks great. So let me back the car out and we'll give you a quick little rundown. Okay, so we've got our meter here. As you can see, the new exhaust pipes. They're a little dirty. I did drive it the other day, but it looks, I got to admit, so much better than the single. I kind of tilted them down a little bit, so hopefully I'm going to knock the exhaust off the ground, quiet it down a little bit. I don't know if it really changed. But yeah, it looks so much nicer. Once this car is all painted blue with the orange wheels and the white side pipes, it's going to look amazing. So let's fire this thing up and then we'll see what kind of decibel reading we're getting. Okay. I'm going to put the parking brake on. Okay, we're going to hit the start button. Yeah, that's my rearview mirror. Okay, so we're going to let this thing settle down. As you can hear, it's loud in here, but it's got a nice tone. It doesn't have that harshness of the factory 5 side pipes, because they're brutal. They just got this tinny, harsh. Now my computer is going to go into its, mess up stage here, where it kind of runs a little rich till it, yeah. There it goes. Now we're back to good. So let's let this thing warm up for a second, then we'll go out and we'll check the decibel meter and see where we're at. So yeah, it's gonna take about a minute for it to settle down into its normal idle. But yeah, it's I actually drove it and I was getting about 95 decibels in the cabin, just cruising down the road. But now a lot of it is both tire noise and engine noise. With the factory 5, it's all engine noise, side pipes. With the singles, my single pipes, yeah, I'm hearing more tire noise than exhaust. Now it's about the same. With my Laguna pipe, which is really quiet, it's all tire noise. These tires are very noisy. Don't know why. It's a high-performance 200 tread wear tire. It's just kind of the way they are. So let's let this thing warm up and let's go see what we're reading. Okay, so right now we're at 103. So we're about 102, 101. It's kind of fluctuating. Now if I move this back, big difference. So let's do the decibel meter inside the car now. In the car with the windows up, now that's once it drops to its low idle. So let's say I'm call it 90 inside. Once I talk, it kind of goes up, but I'm around 90 decibels inside the car, which is still above the OSHA limit for an 8-hour exposure. So would you drive this thing with no earplugs? Oh hell no, you gotta run the earplugs. But is it tolerable? Oh yeah, and it's got just a nice rumble to it now. I mean, listen to this thing. Sounds excellent. I like it. Holy grail of exhaust, I'm gonna think I'm damn close. Damn close. Let me shut this thing down, pull back in the garage actually, and then we will discuss it more. Okay, so I don't know what you really heard in there because the car was running, but now the car's turned off. I'll give you my thoughts and opinions. Is it the holy grail of exhaust? I think I'm damn close. It's about 10 decibels less than the factory 5, which they're free if anybody wants them. Of course, I did have to cut those little hanger brackets out. But yeah, they are free if you want them. You just have to come get them. But 10 decibels less, it's maybe a decibel or two more, maybe 3 than the single, which had a great sound. I think these ones actually have a better sound, sounds meaner. I don't know, you sure the pulse is a little bit better. It's hard to really describe, but it does sound awesome. So I think this is definitely a win. So now the question is, what mufflers are they and where did I get them? Well, so if you call Eric at Classic Chambered Exhaust, he will set you up. As I said, these are 4 inches longer than the factory 5, so you get a little more baffling in there, which you can't really tell. I left this part here the same, and I cut about 3 inches off the back of this. It actually, I kind of balanced the front with the rear, so the muffler's right in the middle, and I think it turned out just awesome. About 380 bucks for 4 of them. But the issue is, if you don't know how to weld, you're gonna have to pay someone to fabricate these things up. At that point, you might as well just call Georgie at Gas and Pipes and order his set. I think they're about 1,800. I'm into these things, 380 bucks. Welded it up myself. I threw some high temp barbecue paint on there so I can touch it up easily. I'm not gonna coat them or anything because these are just easy. They get rock beat up pretty bad. So it's just simple and easy. I can always just get a little cardboard out, shoot some white high temp paint and done. Clean them up once a year or something. I think it's a win. I love them. Will it pass sound at the racetracks around here? Probably not. Most of them are 103 to 105 decibels. At full tilt, this is probably going to be louder than that, but they're at 50 feet. It's going to be very close, probably if I lift, which I end up doing with the singles as well. Highly recommended. As I said, Eric, Classic Chambered Exhaust, he can set you up and make 4 of these for you. If you know how to weld, no big deal. Is it the right muffler for everybody? No. I love the look of the twins though, and yeah, probably go back to that single lock because these things they fit the bill, fit the car. As I said, once the car is all done with my orange wheels, which are still being made by the way, it's gonna look awesome once it's all blue with the orange and the white side pipes. So that's what I'm going with. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully everybody gets something out of this. I said, you know, you got any questions, shoot me some comments, and I can let you know more details on where to get them. But if you Google Classic Chambered Exhaust, it should come right up. His name is Eric that owns the company. So, and by the way, I'm not affiliated with him. He didn't cut me any deals on this, so don't think that I'm trying to sell a product. So thanks again for watching, and hit subscribe, and we'll get another one coming at you soon. Not sure what or when, but we'll definitely throw something up. Might even have a free giveaway because I got some coil springs from Factory 5, brand new that I've never used. Maybe we'll do some sort of free giveaway. That way I can just get them off my shelf and somebody out there who needs them can get them. So we'll go from there. So thanks again, and have a good one.